Thinking about doing an EGR delete on your Duramax? Maybe you should consider upgrading your up pipe. I'm Megan with S&M Diesel, and this is just the tip. A commonly overlooked part when doing an EGR delete is installing a new up pipe. This is due to the fact that we can simply just block it off, leaving your factory up pipe still installed. Commonly, these bellows are prone to failure, and an aftermarket up pipe is your solution. Best time to do it is while doing your EGR delete. If you're wondering if this has already happened to you, don't worry, you'll know. This split in the bellow will cause a wicked exhaust leak that you'll most likely hear. Some things to consider when doing an up pipe is that you can run into a few issues, that being with your exhaust manifold. Bolts will oftentimes break off into the exhaust manifold and could break off into your turbo. Extractions can be a lot more pricey and cause more downtime, which is often why we recommend replacing the whole manifold. My personal favorite solution is what I call the oh shit kit from PPE. This kit from PPE provides you with 2 high flow manifolds, 2 up pipes, along with the gaskets to complete the job. In my case, owning an LMM, I have to install this coolant line from PPE for clearance for my up pipe. If you're looking for performance upgrades, then this is the kit for you. If you're looking for longevity and staying within budget, then you can stick with the passenger side up pipe. Give us a call at S&M Diesel, where we get dirty so you don't have to.